me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Hi, I'm Chef John, and today we're going to be cooking a traditional Creole dish with my good friend, Cajun/Creole, Matthew Acosta. It's one of your grandmother's favorite recipes, would you say, Matt?
Famous recipe.
Famous and favorite, your favorite.
That's my favorite.
Recipes. All right, well, let's get started. So I've got some diced peppers, some celery, some onion, and some garlic. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in a cast iron skillet.
And Grandmama said that you gotta use a heavy pot.
You gotta use it, and she said that was key, right? She said that was a secret. You can see those onions starting to go translucent in the pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and score these Hocks so that they cook a little bit faster, but they render out a lot more flavor. So what would you say the area that the Creole/Cajun, what area does that encompass as far as like Florida?
Now they all settled in the Louisiana South, so South Louisiana coast.
Okay, so that's where all those flavors are coming from. That's awesome.
It's a combination of French technique and African flavors.
Can't beat that. It's like a win-win right there. All right, well, let's go ahead and throw these beans on. What do you say?
Okay.
Now this was Matt's grandma's secret. She said to add some white beans and make sure you smash them. It helps impart some of that creamy flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and smash these things up. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this back onto the bowl. We're gonna let this simmer for about 30, 45 minutes. All right, so I went ahead, we had some white rice I cooked off real quick, knowing that you could use whatever rice you prefer, basmati, jasmine, wild, brown, whatever, okay. And then I went ahead and put it in a dish, leaving room in the middle of the dish for the Hocks and the white beans.
I'm gonna do mine different.
How are you gonna do yours?
I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah,
you got that sticky rice.
Oh yeah.
The mound on the side.
Looks good.
All right, let's get the beans.
Sweet. We've done it, I think. I think we mastered this Creole dish.
Yeah.
Smoked Hocks, white beans, rice.
Yeah, we make Grandmama proud.
I feel good about this.
We make Grandmama proud?
I feel good about it. We plated it 2 different ways. I have mine plated more of a family style, so you would just dig on in. Matt plated his more like his papa would plate his personal plate. It looks delicious. And I'm ready to dig in. What do you think?
Let's do.
All right. Come on.
It really is good.
It's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It really is good.
Mona would be really happy. And these Hocks came out beautiful, really tender. They've imparted all this flavor inside the beans and the rice. So good. Right?
That's good. So they say, c'est bon, c'est bon.
C'est bon, c'est bon. And for all of us here at recteq,
We'll see you at the recteq.
we'll see you at the recteq.